Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Tether from Bitmart to Uphold in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a popular stablecoin that makes moving funds between exchanges super convenient. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching platforms, this guide will walk you through it step by step, keeping things secure and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Uphold, and that you have some Tether in your Bitmart wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are verified to avoid any delays. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your Tether balance there. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw, or Transfer Out, option next to your Tether holdings. Click on it to start the process. You'll need to select Tether, USDT, as the asset you're withdrawing. Step 3. Now, enter the wallet address from Uphold. To get this, log into your Uphold account, go to your wallet, select Tether, and copy the deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Bitmart withdrawal form. Double-check for accuracy because crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees, which might vary depending on the blockchain you're using, like Tron or Ethereum for USDT. Review all the details, then hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Step 5. Sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, but it can vary. Once it's done, head back to Uphold and check your wallet to confirm the Tether has arrived. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network for your transfer. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Also, keep an eye on gas fees if you're on Ethereum. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, it's wise to stay updated on any platform-specific rules. There you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Bitmart to Uphold. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.